Okay, today we're going to take a look at something a little bit different, but not too much, because it still has to do with fire, and it's a product of Zippo. This is the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. The Typhoon Match Kit's got 15 Typhoon matches and a water-resistant case, and it's a Zippo product. It's got the Zippo logo all over it. Let's take a look at the back. It says it's equipped. If you use this, you're equipped for any forecast. It shows the matches in the holder. Built to last. Easy ignition, emergency ready, pocket sized. I'm not too sure about that. Water resistant, wind resistant, reusable. Well, the matches aren't reusable, but the case is. But here's the manufacturing logo. Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, PA, manufactured to Zippo quality standards in China. Warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. And it's got an instruction manual inside. So let's take this thing apart and I'll try to put it together. See how it works. So the 15 matches go in. It's got the removable cap. It does have a lanyard hole on it right there. Let's put these matches inside the case. 15 matches. Well, it's only 14 now because I was playing around with it before. About 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 13. That's good. I'm going to use one as a demonstration. Now, this thing's got a nice rubber seal O-ring on it. And you can see it's got the Zippo logo, and it says TMK Typhoon Match Kit on both sides. And that's the striker part down here. It's also nicely sealed. It'll probably be waterproof. And it does come with a couple of extra striker pads. And the only product I have that I can compare to right now is this Coleman match kit. It's a plastic case with, I think it's 15 matches. But the size difference is amazing. This is about 1/3. The Coleman is about 1/3 the Zippo size. And it holds 25, 25 matches in here. They are a lot smaller, and they are wax dipped to be waterproof. They're not dunk proof, but they are waterproof. And it comes with a striker on the base. This is also made in China. Let's see if we can do a dunk test or a drop test. A lit drop test on one of these Typhoon matches. See if it lasts more than one dunking. Okay, got that thing started. Let's do a dunk test. This thing has really got a lot of sulfur in it. Here's the dunk test. Completely underwater. Will it relight? And there it did a relit. It relit itself after being underwater. So that is definitely what I'd call pretty close to hurricane proof. And it's a lot of sulfur in that one. So that is the Typhoon Match Kit by Zippo. And this thing is not exactly what I'd call pocket size, because here is this is a 6-ounce plastic jar of Badia Complete Seasoning. This is really good seasoning. But it's almost the exact same size of that thing. And that's a handful. So that is the Zippo Typhoon match kit. 15 matches. I'm down to about 13 now. That'll be definitely something for the trunk for emergencies, but a lot of sulfur in here. Okay, it's definitely a nice little kit to have, and it probably deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.